Okay, we're gonna go straight down that lane, and I think what we have to do is go across and down, and then this way, and then that way. And we're basically in front of the Rio. Right there. Okay, stay tuned.
Chiquinha, Chiquinha.
Let's go check out the room.
Chiquinha.
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, that's our focus, that street right there. Let's go find out what it is. Might even be able to run across here, which we can. Okay, good. Not sure if we could or not. So this is going to be our focus. It's called Rua de Nagasaki Gomez. And I think this is also the name of the street that's at the end as well. But we're going to go find out in a minute. Before we go, this is Rio Hotel and Casino right there. Right in front. And let's go find out this little street right here. So that's going to be our focus. That goes down to like Lisboa Casino, and then this other way goes up to like Sands and Fisherman's Wharf if you go directly up that way. Let's go down this way. Kind of nice tree lined. A lot of times I see these things and I wish that there's a bunch of restaurants, but the restaurants are all inside. So I kind of wish that they had chairs and things outside and something that made this area more cooler, because it's kind of cool already, but it's empty. It's kind of missing something, because you got all these beautiful pedestrian streets, but you don't have anybody on them. They go all the way down too, so they go all the way down that way. And there's a nice kind of one, and here's a nice Portuguese, typical Portuguese Macanese cuisine. But what would draw in the people? Probably like some street musicians, probably some outdoor restaurants and tables would be amazing. There's also some residential apartments up above too. Portuguese restaurant. And then this street right here, I believe it's also the name of the street that's straight ahead. For some reason, this little area called ZAPE, some of these pedestrian streets are named after the bigger roads off to the side. But parallel, there's like one called Rua de Nagasaki. There's a little coffee shop there. You can sit outside right there. It's a restaurant, another restaurant. There's a little series of restaurants here. That one looks like it has like pork chop buns and Portuguese Macanese food. This one is another restaurant. So you got at least 1, 2, 3, 4 restaurants here. And that's the Rio right there. So all this is in front of the Rio Hotel. So we might even put that on here, like Rio Hotel plus this street. Taifeng Bank is headquarters straight ahead. Another restaurant there, looks like it's 24 hours as well. Then it comes out to this street right here. And over here you have Avenida de Amizade, it's called. So I think this was Avenida de Amizade for one quarter of it, and then the other one was the had a different name. So you can see it right there. So I think maybe we'll just call this one the Rio Hotel. Rio Hotel is directly that way, and then over here you can see kind of southern Main Street, World Trade Center. That one is another hotel. I forget the name of that one. And then over here is NAPE, this area called NAPE. And that's the Rio Hotel. So I guess we'll end it right there with the Rio. And maybe we'll just call it Rio Hotel and not give the street name of this little area. But you can see it's part of it though anyways.
Chiquinha, Chiquinha.